So what I'm going to show you is how to quickly remove the crankshaft bolt. This is from a 2002 Honda Civic, which is the same engine as 2001 to 2005 1.7 Civic. Mine is an SI, or they call it EX. So what I tried earlier was using the half-inch extensions and leaning them on the jack stands. It's, you know, the usual way that everyone does, but this bolt was extremely tight, so I had to source for a different way to do it, and because that tool was sliding off the pulley. So what I came up with this idea, just use vice grip, basically just tied it up against the side wall there, and I tied the vice grip as much as I could, and obviously align the tool right where it sits on the pulley, and then luckily that tool aligns very close to the metal, to the sidewall metal there, the subframe, and then I put it as tight as I could with the vice grip, and basically that was it. That's all it took. Like I said, I tried many other ways in the past and they have worked, but this bolt was extremely over tightened. I don't know, maybe they might have put 160 pounds torque when they tied it up. It was just crazy, but I managed to get it off. And yeah, this is just a quick video that I wanted to show you that there are other ways, just in case you lose hope and you become a little frustrated. So yeah, you need a, I guess, regular size vice grip. Don't get a small one, get the regular one. And again, put a really strong grip on it, really tight, and you'll be able to do it. All right, I hope this helps. Good luck. And this is whenever you want to do the timing belt water pump. So have a good one, and I hope it helps.